Hello everyone, welcome to Wi-Fi Learn. In this video, we can see some problems regarding Kirchhoff voltage law, KVL. So these problems I have taken from the book of Electrical Circuit Theory from Shom's series. So let's move on to the problems. First problem, apply Kirchhoff voltage law and find the value of V3 with the polarities. So this is a circuit, series circuit, where we have to find the value of the voltage V3. And here they have given the current direction clockwise and the current value is 4 ampere. So it is very easy problem. Apply Kirchhoff voltage law and we can find the value of the unknown voltages present in the circuit. So current is going in clockwise direction. See, now we can apply a KVL. KVL, the sum of the source voltages and the energy voltages which is present in the circuit would be equal to the sum of the drop that present in the circuit, or sum of the voltage rise plus the voltage drop would be equal to 0. It is a KVL, Kirchhoff voltage law. It is a conservation of energy law. So apply a KVL in this circuit. When the current is flowing in clockwise direction, we can start from this here. The current moves from minus to positive. The potential has been traced. I have already told in KVL video that the represent potential rise in positive and potential drop in negative. So 50 volt is a potential rise and it is an energy source. Apply and write that as positive 50, and the current is entering to the resistance. All the passive element will have the potential drop of entering terminal is positive and the leaving terminal is negative. So there is a potential fall in the passive element resistor. So we will get the value as minus 4 into 5, minus 4 into 5, I into R. And there is a potential fall here. From positive to negative, the current will flow from positive to negative, which is opposite to that of the conventional current. It enters the positive and leaves the negative, right? It is opposite to that of the conventional current movement. So it is a potential fall, represent that as minus 10 volt. And the current will flow to 20 ohms. All the passive element will represent the potential fall, positive and negative. The current will enter the positive terminal and leave the negative terminal. So there is a potential fall minus 4 into 20. And here we don't know the drop, whether it is a potential fall or rise. But generally you assume that as a positive value. So positive V3 is equal to 0. Now we will get the value as 50 minus 20 minus 10 minus 80 plus V3 is equal to 0. We will have the value as V3 is equal to, the value of V3 is minus 60 volt. V3 is minus 60. V3 is minus 60 in the sense the value of V3 is potential fall. Potential fall means the current must enter the positive and leave the negative. The current must enter the positive and leave the negative for a potential fall. So V3 polarity is B is positive with respect to A. V3, B terminal is positive with reference to A. So there is a potential fall in V3. Understood? See, in this problem, find the source voltage and the polarity in the circuit shown in the figure. If the current is 2 ampere, the current has been given as 2 ampere and the current is flowing in the clockwise direction, we can apply a KVL and it is very easy. See, 2 ampere is flowing in clockwise direction. So assuming 2 ampere current is flowing here, the resistive element produces a potential fall of plus minus. Here they have not given the value of the terminals polarities, so assume it as positive and the current will enter here. Here it is positive and negative, and it is positive and negative. Now we can apply the KVL. Sum of the potential drop plus potential rise is equal to 0. So there is a potential fall here. In first energy, this battery acts as a sink. So there is a potential fall. The current is entering positive and leaving the negative. So minus 20, here minus 2 into 10, it is a potential fall, right? Resistive element produces a potential fall. And assume this as a positive if they are not given any polarities. and the current is entering positive and leaving the negative. So minus 2 into 5 is equal to 0. Now your voltage value would be minus 20 plus 4 minus 10 is equal to 0. Your value of V is equal to plus 50 volt. So it is a source where it has a value of voltage 50 volt, and this source is acting as a energy source. It is supplying power to the circuit with B as a positive and A as a negative. If it is a source, the current must leave the positive terminal, right? So here the current is leaving from positive terminal, so B must be positive. The polarity of B is positive with respect to A. So we have to write the solution as voltage V is equal to 50 volt, where B is positive with reference to A. This voltage source is acting as a source, and there is a current which is flowing out of the positive terminal B. Okay, and there is another subdivision also. If the current I is minus 2 ampere, find the polarities. Find the V and polarities of energy source. It is very easy. They have given the current is flowing in clockwise direction. So each passive element will produce as a potential fall. And again the current is flowing in clockwise direction. So we can apply a KVL here. So it is a potential fall. So minus 20 minus, because it is a potential fall. So positive to negative the current is flowing. So it is a potential fall. We have to represent a minus, and the value of current is minus 2. So minus 2 into the value of resistance is 10. Right? And here the current is flowing here. Assume it as a positive value. If they are not given any polarities, assume it as a positive. And here is also there is a potential fall. Potential fall must be represented negative. So the current flowing here is minus 2 amp. Minus 2 into 5, which is equal to 0. So 20 minus of minus will get us plus 20 plus V minus of minus will get us plus 10 volt. It's equal to 0. The value of voltage source is equal to minus 10 volt. Here this voltage source having the value of minus 10 volt, that is B terminal is negative where A terminal is positive. The current is leaving the negative terminal and entering the positive terminal. Here this energy source is not acting as a source. It is acting as a load, and it is acting as a potential fall. The value of voltage is minus 10 volt. So it is not acting as a source here. It is acting like a load here, and it is a potential fall. So we have to write the value is the value of V is equal to minus 10 volt, where the polarities of V is, the polarities are A is positive with reference to B. A is positive with reference to B. Here this voltage is not acting as a source here, where in the case of A, it is acting as a source here. Okay. If the current direction is reversed, definitely the voltage will not act as a source. Okay. I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment section. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Wi-Fi Learn. Thanks for watching the video.